Hello everyone, welcome to Little Officers, your friends in UPSC preparation. Please subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon for regular updates so that the moment I post any video, you'll get the notification and you can have the look at the video. So in this series, we are analyzing the UPSC Prelims 2021 paper so that the uh, aspirants who are going to give 2022 or 23 or further, they can have an idea about what kind of questions are coming and why they are coming from there, where they are coming, that source analysis, and what is the difficulty level of such questions. Okay. So along with that, we will also be looking at some sort of cutoff prediction, and UPSC has already released the 2021 prelims results. So but cutoff will be released only after the final merit list. Okay, so then we will try to see whether our prediction has matched it or not. So in this particular video, we will be looking at science and technology MCQs. And before that, I have already made a video on polity and governance, and as well as agriculture and geography. So please do check those videos. I'll provide the link in here. So let us begin with this analysis. The first question is, water can dissolve more substances than any other liquid because of what reason? If you know, water is bipolar in nature or dipolar in nature. So H2O it has like H plus ions and OH minus ions. Because of its dipolar nature and because of weak hydrogen bonds, it does dissolve lot of substances, and that is the reason behind it. It is a basic science question, and the source of it is directly from your NCERT books, and the nature of the question is static and factual. But because of this fact, minute fact, many of the people who do not pay attention to that might miss it. That's why I'm keeping it either in the moderate or difficult range. Okay, now let us go to the next one, which is a comparison between sodium lamps and LEDs, light emitting diode lights. This has been in news often because we are replacing the conventional sodium lamps with LED lights. You can have the difference here. This is sodium light, and this is LED based street lighting. Okay, and because of its carbon footprint as well as energy saving nature, we are going with this. So it is taken from the news, inspired from the news. Okay, I have provided the link here. If you want more analysis of differences between them, you can click on this. I will provide all these links in this description, and this is also based on the previous year question themes. If you have solved previous year questions, you would find such sort of comparative questions. The statements are: sodium lamps produce light in 360 degrees, but not so in the case of LED lamps. This statement is right, guys, because sodium lamps, they do not have like a directional one. They provide light in all 360 degrees. As a result, light pollution happens sometimes where we the location where we do not want to lit, even that location also it will have light because of the sodium lamps. But whereas in the case of LED lamps, it is a directional one, so we can have in that particular concentrated area only. So this statement is right. And second one, look at this: as street lights, sodium lamps have longer lifespan than LED lights. This is wrong. If you are using LED lamps or LED lights in your home also, you can see they get like 1 year of warranty or 2 year of replacement warranty, because they have that much of reliability and their efficiency is also more. So this statement is wrong. Even if you eliminate 2 and if you have some knowledge about 1, then you can come to the conclusion that answer is 1 and 3. Okay, the spectrum of visible light from the sodium lamp is almost monochromatic, while LED lamps offer significant color advantages in street lighting. This is true because even in Diwali time, we use many LED based lights, serial lights, so that we can lit up with the different colors. The same is true for like decorating or using the street lights and all. So the third statement is again correct. Okay, so the level of difficulty is difficult, and it is inspired from the news analytical question है. और यहाँ पर डिफिकल्ट इसलिए है ये वाला माइन्यूट फैक्ट की वजह से, डायरेक्शनलिटी ऑफ द सोडियम लैम्प्स एंड योर LED lamps. ठीक है. Next, going to the next question, the term AS2 is talked about in the context of. See, it was also in the news, and it is current affairs inspired one. applied one, factual one, and it was because of the COVID-19. Okay, so the direct answer goes to spread of viral diseases. Okay, it's a like pretty much no direct one, but however, to recall such a minute fact, I do not know where it was given in the link. I could find it, but how many times it was given, we do not know. So recalling that fact is sometimes difficult. That's why I'm keeping it under difficult basket. Okay. Next, bisphenol A cause of concern is structural or key component in manufacturing of which of the following kind of plastics? The answer is polycarbonate. It was also often in news. See, no harmful chemicals in PET bottles, like PET bottles. So a study done by them. So based on this, news articles are there. So on that, it is inspired from those news articles, and it is analytical and factual one. And difficulty is difficult because to recall all of them, if you look at it, all of them are plastics, and particularly those person who can recall or who can memorize this fact can give that answer. That's the reason why I'm keeping it under difficult range. Then going to the next question, triclosan considered harmful when exposed to high levels for a long period of time. It is most likely present in which of the following? The food preservations, fruit ripening substances, then reused plastic containers, and toiletries. So the answer is toiletries. Again, it is inspired from current affairs because it was there in the current affairs, because it was commonly used in toothpaste and all. So it was linked to colon cancer. That is the reason why it was there in the Hindu. If you can recall, then it would be easy. Otherwise, it is under difficult basket. Okay. Then coming to the next question, which one of the following is a reason why astronomical distances, that is the distance between celestial bodies, because in your solar system or in your space, like the distance of different celestial objects is calculated in light years. Okay, light years. What is the meaning of light year? That is the amount of distance that is traveled by light in an year. And you know, the speed of the light is always constant. Whoever measures, whatever measures, it's close to 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Okay, so this is the speed of the light, and it is always constant. That is the reason why it is measured in light years. So speed of the light is always same is the answer, and it is your basic question from physics NCERT 11th class book, and static question, factual based question. Difficulty rating is moderate. Okay, see, this difficulty I'm giving it from my perspective or the survey that I have done. If you have a different opinion, sir, ये तो बहुत आसान है या बहुत difficult है, that is entertained, that is up to you. Next, question number 7, with reference to recent developments regarding recombinant vector vaccines, consider the following statements. See, this is a basic science question, PYQ, like previous year questions, themes based, and even you can relate it with current affairs, current events, because nowadays, because of the COVID vaccine, lot of vaccines are being developed using recombinant technology, DNA recombinant technology. That's the reason why it is anticipated. And the statements, look at these statements. Genetic engineering is applied in the developing of such vaccines. This is true. It is a very general statement. Anybody can answer it. The second one is bacteria and viruses are used as vectors. Of course, it is true, because for COVID-19, when we are developing the vaccine, we are using the COVID virus, like even it is attenuated virus or mRNA based protein, such sort of things we are using. So it is also very much well known one. So that's the reason why answer 1 and 2, and it is easy in its difficulty level. Okay, next is 8th question. ये वाला question, it is because of hereditary diseases. इससे पहले I wanted to introduce you one concept which was in news around in 2017. It is directly inspired from there, and it was again in news. ठीक है, बहुत ही frequently news में आता है. This concept is called 3 parent baby. ओके, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस इज 3 पैरेंट बेबी। देखो यहाँ पर जनरली वी नो लाइक मदर एंड फादर 2 पैरेंट बेबी, और वी ऑल नो अबाउट IVF एंड अदर टेक्निक्स लाइक सरोगेसी एंड ऑल अदर टेक्निक्स। दिस इज न्यू टेक्निक जहाँ पर जो माइटोकैंड्रियल डिसीजेस होता है, सी आपका जो DNA मटेरियल है वो 2 जगह पे होता है, एक है न्यूक्लियस में, दूसरा वाला है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में। तो अगर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल DNA में कुछ इश्यूज है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है, कुछ म्यूटेशंस है, तो वो भी इट इज गोइंग टू लीड टू सम हेरिटेबल डिसीज। उसको रिड्यूस करने के लिए क्या सॉल्यूशन लेकर आया है, तो ऐसे मदर का सी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर ये जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल डिसीजेस होता है दे आर मैटरनल इन नेचर, दैट इज फ्रॉम मदर ओनली, ठीक है। तो ये जो मदर का माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में जो भी डिसीजेस है वो डिसीज्ड सेल्स को हटा देते हैं, वो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को हटा देते हैं मदर से ओनली न्यूक्लियस, ओके सॉरी, मदर से ओनली न्यूक्लियस वी टेक इट and that nucleus will be introduced to some donor, another female whose mitochondria is healthy, वहां पर introduce करते हैं, then we will make it like fertilization process, so that leads to zygote formation and then baby. This sort of baby is called 3 parent baby because 3 parents are involved here. See, 2 biological parents are involved, 2 mothers, one is giving the cell nucleus, another one is giving the mitochondria, okay. So that is the concept of it. Now let us look at the statements here. Passing on the mitochondrial diseases from parent to child can be prevented by this mitochondrial replacement therapy either before or after in vitro fertilization of the egg. This is true. The second statement, look at it. A child inherits mitochondrial diseases entirely from mother, not from the father. As I said, it is maternal in nature, so this statement is right. See, for statement 1 some sort of mixed responses are there. In some sources I did not find particular source की before or after वाला, इस पे थोड़ा सा डाउट है, बट आई एम गोइंग विथ लाइक जनरल वाला से हो सकता है, ये वाला आइडिया से जा रहा हूँ, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग विथ सी। अगर कुछ चेंज है तो आई विल अपडेट द सेम आफ्टर ऑफिशियल की ऑफ UPSC। सी करंट इंस्पायर्ड है, कंसेप्ट ऑफ 3 पैरेंट बेबी, अप्लाइड क्वेश्चन है एंड एनालिटिकल क्वेश्चन है, ओके, एंड द डिफिकल्टी रेंज इज मॉडरेट टू डिफिकल्ट। Then next question is pressure cooker wala, right? This is kind of unconventional wala, but anyway we need to have some knowledge about such sort of processes which happen, and this is a basic science question from your 11th NCERT physics book, okay, and static है, factual है। यहाँ पर देखो options, look at the options. It depends upon like the temperature within it depends upon what, the area of hole in the lid, दैट इज ट्रू, बिकॉज अगर होल ज़्यादा है प्रेशर ज़्यादा चला जाएगा, उसमें जो विजलिंग देखा होगा आप, या वहाँ से वेपर बाहर आना या प्रेशर बाहर आना देखा होगा, वही होल कम है तो देर विल बी लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर एंड दैट विल इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर, लाइक प्रेशर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टेम्परेचर अंडर दैट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम, ठीक है। देन टेम्परेचर ऑफ द फ्लेम, ये वाला साइड में रखो, बाद में डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ इसके बारे में। थर्ड स्टेटमेंट, वेट ऑफ द लिड, यस इट इज ट्रू, जितना वेट डलेगा बिकॉज योर प्रेशर इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया, तो जितना ज्यादा वेट है उतना ज्यादा प्रेशर पड़ेगा एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल हैव टेम्परेचर। नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, temperature of the flame, this is where I'm getting little bit confused. I was going with 1 2 3, but later many of the other people were also when I discussed they said कि इसका जो सिस्टम है इसमें टेम्परेचर ऑफ द फ्लेम या बाहर सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर का कोई लेना देना नहीं होता है, दिस इवन इफ देयर इज टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेशर, ये करके कह रहे थे, बट टेम्परेचर ऑफ द फ्लेम कह रहे हैं तो I was going with that. So anyway, we'll go with 1 and 3. If there is any discrepancy, I'll update after the official UPSC key. And the difficulty range is difficult. Okay. Next, consider the following statements: bacteria, fungi, viruses. Which one of the following can be cultured, like can be manipulated, can be artificially used in the synthetic medium? The answer is all of them. We can use bacteria, we can use fungi, we can use viruses, because if you have knowledge about these vaccines and all, so in this vaccine making we use all 3 of them. We use them in the cultured or artificial medium. So it's based on like previous year question themes and static है, easy है, ठीक है। Next question, and this is the last question. In science and technology we have only 11 questions this year, and last year also 11 questions. See, this year also if you see, lot of emphasis has been put on the genetic based genetic engineering or biotechnology, we say biotechnology, and this is anticipated because of the ongoing pandemic and other developments which are happening here. So that is the reason why it is expected that from biotechnology more questions will come. The question is, adenoviruses have single stranded DNA. Okay, you know, DNA is the basic element of any individual. It generally has double stranded structure, okay, helical stranded. But here you have one more, like two different viruses, उसमें थोड़ा सा changes होता है, उस basis पे question आया है. Adenoviruses single stranded DNA genomes, whereas retroviruses have double stranded DNA genomes. ये थोड़ा उल्टा दिया हुआ है. Actually retroviruses का single होता है, adenoviruses का double होता है. So that's the reason why it is wrong. And why these retroviruses are in the news? It's because of your AIDS जो है, ठीक है. So that's caused by retrovirus, and इसीलिए हम एंटी रेट्रोवायरल करके आपने सुना होगा, ठीक है. रेट्रोवायरल करके एक दवाई देते हैं एड्स पेशेंट्स को, उसका वो कम करने के लिए, ठीक है. सो इफ यू हैव रेड अबाउट इट, यू कैन कम टू दिस कंक्लूजन एंड यू कैन पुट दैट दिस इज only 2, because second वाला देखो ये कह रहा है कि common cold is sometimes caused by adenovirus which has your double stranded, whereas AIDS is caused by the retrovirus which has single stranded. दो पहले स्टेटमेंट में वो गलत दे रखा था, ऑपोजिट दे रखा था, उल्टा दे रखा था. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज ओनली बी. एंड द नेचर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन लाइक इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम करंट अफेयर्स, क्योंकि हमारा वो 90-90-90 स्ट्रेटेजी भी है एड्स को कम करने वाला, ठीक है. और साथ साथ में ये प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन थीम्स पे भी, लाइक मोटिवेशन फ्रॉम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन थीम्स. एंड नेचर इज फैक्चुअल एंड स्टैटिक. डिफिकल्टी लेवल इज डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फैक्ट. ये जो छोटा सा घुमाया है, मोस्टली मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल माइट हैव गॉन विथ बोथ 1 and 2, ठीक, और नेदर 1 and 2, ठीक. So that is the reason why I'm keeping it under difficulty level. So overall, if you see, number of difficult questions are more in the science and technology paper. Out of 11, almost 6 to 7 questions are under the difficult basket because of different regions, ठीक है. Moderate और easy questions कम था, so that's why it is bit tricky. Maybe यहाँ पर जो पता है वही आंसर करो, जो नहीं पता है उसको छोड़ दो, ताकि वो नेगेटिव मार्किंग का जो है वो वाला कम कर सके हम, ठीक है. सो दैट इज द एडवाइस हियर. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज लाइक इट and share it and subscribe among your fellow aspirants. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with another topic. Thank you.